Hello everybody, myself Karthikeya from CSCB. My topic is algebraic problems dealing with systems. Methods for solving systems of equations algebraically. There are essentially three different methods to solve systems of equations. There are graphing method, substitution method, and elimination method. So coming, so they are listed and described briefly below. The graphing method. When there is one variable solved in both equations, it is easy to use graphing calculator. In this case, the calculator can be used to graph both equations. The intersection of two lines will represent the solution to the system of equations. Uh, when there is one variable solved in both equations, uh, it is easy to use graphing calculator. So you are given m is equal to minus 3n, m is equal to 10 minus 4n. Substitution method. There are two different types of systems of equation where substitution method is the easiest method. Type 1 is one variable is by itself or isolated in one of the equations. The system is solved by substituting the equation with isolated term into the other equation, which means, example, x plus 2y is equal to 7, y is equal to x minus 5. Type 2. One variable can be easily isolated. The systems are solved by solving for one variable in one of the equations, then substituting that equation into the second equation, solve for a in the second equation, in the substitute the second equation into the first equation. So here the one variable can be easily isolated. In type 2, the one variable can be easily isolated. The system are solved by solving one variable in one of the equations. So in one of the equation, the systems are solved by solving one variable in one of the equation, then substituting that equation into second equation. Uh, when the systems are solved by one variable of the one of the equation, that equation is substituted into the second equation. Solve for in the second equation, then they substitute the second equation into the first. There 2a is equal to 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, a minus 2b is equal to 8. The elimination method. Both equations are in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. The system of equations are solved by eliminating a variable and solving for the remaining variables. When the both equations are in the standard form, which means ax plus by plus c, the system of operations are solved by eliminating a variable, which means by eliminating a variable, the system of equation will be solved by elimination method when the both equations are in the standard form. Add the two equations together to eliminate the y, then solve for x. 8x plus 11y is equal to 37. Then 2x minus 11y is equal to minus 7. Any of the other methods can be used to check your answers, or you can plug in x and y values, ensure that the both equations give the true statements. Solving system of equations algebraically by graphing. The two linear equations are both equal the same variable. You do not need to manipulate the equations. You can graph the equation on your graphing calculator as they are written and then find the solution. Remember, this method only works if the two equations are equal to the same variable. The graphing method is only works when the two equations are equal to the same variable. Example: solve the following systems of equation. We are given the two equations are given. One is y is equal to 2x minus 2, and y is equal to 4x minus 5. So here we observe that the both equations have y is equal, equation editor of the calculator, y1 is equal to 2x minus 2 and y2 is equal to 4x minus 4. There are two types of situation involving substitution. Type 1 is one of the equations written with one of the variable on one side of the equation. If so, you can substitute that variable's value into the other equation and solve it. Example, solve the system of equations using substitution. B is equal to 3, then 4a is equal to 4a plus b is equal to 7, which means uh, 4a plus b is equal to 7. Type 2. If one of the equation is not written with one variable along one side of the equation, but it is easy to transform into an equation with one variable on one side, substitution can be still used. Example, rewrite the equation and then substitute it into the other equation to solve the system of equations. 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, a minus 2b is equal to 8. Solving systems of equation algebraically by elimination. When graphing or substitution cannot be easily done, elimination is used to solve a system of equations. Example, 8x plus 11y is equal to 37. 2x minus 11y is equal to minus 7. Step 1. Add the two equations. 8x plus 11y is equal to 37. 2x minus 11y is equal to minus 7. Then the equation will be 10x is equal to 30. Therefore, 8x plus 11y is equal to 37. 2x minus 11y is equal to 7. 10x is equal to 30. Step 2. Solve for x. 10x is equal to 30. Therefore, x will be 3. Then 10x is equal to 30x is equal to 3. Find step 3. To find the y value, substitute 3 in for x in one of the equations. So we got the x value. So we need to find the y value. So substitute that x value, which means 3, in one of the equations. So we select the first equation, 8x plus 11y is equal to 37. So we substitute 3 in equation 1. So equation 1. Now step 4 is solve for y. So 24 plus 11y is equal to 37. 24 plus 11y is equal to 37. But minus 24 minus 24. 11 by 11y is equal to 13 by 11y. We get y is equal to 13 by 11. So this is the value. Step 5. Identify the solution as an order pair. 3 into 3 comma 13 by 11. What if adding or subtracting does not eliminate a variable? Example, 3x minus y is equal to 8. X plus 2y is equal to 5. In this case, if the equations were added, a variable would not be eliminated. If the y in the first equation were changed to 2y, then the y variables would be additive, inverse can be eliminated. Thank you so much.